Hi everybody, today I will show you how you can fasten products with Ziptie plugs by using this loop structure and how you need to modify the Ziptie to be able to make this kind of loop. So first thing, you need to have a regular Ziptie like this, and then you need to cut with cable cutters or side cutters half of the Ziptie off like this, and then also in this direction almost most of the Ziptie off like this. So now when you have the Ziptie plug like this, you need to put the Ziptie's tail through this hole so the locking teeth is facing outside. So when you make the loop, the ratcheting mechanism hits the plug. So when you are fastening, like for example in this case I'm trying to fasten this plate to this wall, but I cannot get behind this wall, so I have to use a technique to fasten. So first you put the Ziptie tail through this plug, and then you need to make few loops or bends to this regular Ziptie, and then you need to put it through this hole, and it takes little practice to get it bended enough. But you can get it through the hole like this, and then you just put it again through these parts you are fastening like this, and then through the Ziptie's tail like this, and then you just tighten the structure. I'm using at the moment a 10mm hole in both of the parts, but you can use smaller holes in the wall if you want them to be smaller, but in this case this covers the holes, so you can drill with the same 10mm drill. Then you just cut the Ziptie's tail off and close the plug, and you have a ready assembly, and this fits smoothly to the wall. If you need to have more than 10 kilos of force, you need to put more plugs to fasten the parts. And to open the plug, you can put your fingernails behind this plug. There is small pockets for this, or you can press from the sides and it will open, or not in this case. But you can test which one of the opening techniques works best. And when you open it, there's a small place for your fingernail, so you just pull that one, ratchet back, and the locking teeth comes loose, and pull, and you get the parts out. Now in some cases you have to fasten the products so that they are not against the wall. So you need to have a little bit of offset to the parts you are fastening. In this case, you again take the plug, put it through the Ziptie plug. Then you can use a pipe or piece of hose, depending which kind of assembly do you want to make. Then again make the bend, something like this. Now I've got it a little bit better than the first time. and then through the pipe and then through the plug and fasten, and you again have created a new fixture, and now it's not touching the wall and you can close the plug. So this one is now about 50mm offset from the wall. In some cases you can adjust the distance just by cutting different kind of lengths of the plugs. And this was one method. There are over 30 different kind of methods how you can fasten the plug with regular zip ties. Thanks for watching.